And welcome. My name is Karl Haushalter. I'm a professor of chemistry and biology. I'm also currently the chair of the chemistry department. And thank you so much for taking time out to watch this video and learn a little bit more about the offerings of the chemistry department. We so appreciate you sharing your amazing students with us. Harvey Mudd is who we are because we get to work with these amazing, incredible students. And so thank you for entrusting your student to us. I'll use this video to tell you a little bit about our department and what our program is and how your students might interact with us. We have 11 faculty, and we cover the breadth of chemistry among the 11 of us, from biochemistry to physical, organic, analytical, instrumental, inorganic, atmospheric. We have your bases covered, and including the material science and polymer science as well. In addition to the 11 faculty, we have 4 support staff who also help us put together our program. We get a chance to work with all of the Harvey Mudd students. Core includes the chemistry. We have a lecture class and a laboratory class. And if you are a family member of a first-year student, your student either took core chemistry in the fall or they will be taking it in the spring. They get 1 semester with us. We are super excited about this class. It's a newly revamped course. We spent all of last summer working on a redo of it, relaunch of it, where the laboratory and the lecture components are synced up. And we really try in our core chemistry class to emphasize the ways in which chemistry is connected to life in the modern world. And so we talk about things like, how does a lithium-ion battery work? How does solar energy work? And what are some of the challenges and limitations as we think about optimizing this technology? So we get to see all of the Harvey Mudd students, which is one of the joys of teaching at Harvey Mudd. For those who want to take additional chemistry, we have a number of courses that students of all majors take. And we also have a few different majors for students to choose from. Our traditional chemistry major gives a broad exposure to the various subdisciplines of chemistry. And in this program, we really emphasize a lot of hands-on learning. It's a very laboratory-rich program. So we have the students in the lab learning chemistry by doing chemistry. We also have a joint major in chemistry and biology, in which we really try to give students the tools to speak the language of both chemistry and biology, to work seamlessly between these 2 disciplines. And coming on the horizon, and so some of you who have younger students, this may apply to you, we're getting ready to launch a new chemistry and climate joint major. That'll be a joint offering between the chemistry department and the Hickson Center for Climate and the Environment. Very exciting. As part of this new joint major, we were really thrilled to be able to welcome Dr. Sarah Kavastalis, who is a climate modeler into our faculty, and she will have a joint appointment with chemistry and the Hickson Center. Our students interact with us not only in the classroom, but also through research. We offer a number of ways of participating in research during the academic year and during the summer. And then for students who are seniors, we ask all of our seniors to do capstone experiences. The majority of them will choose to do research as a senior thesis, working in the laboratory of a faculty member under the faculty member's guidance. Some of our seniors will elect to participate in the clinic program, either through the engineering, math, or CS departments. For academic year research, we have students of all levels, 1st, 2nd, 3rd years, participating in academic year research, as well as summer research. And we very recently joined with the other departments of the college to synchronize our research offerings and advertisement through a website called URO, Undergraduate Research Opportunities. So uro.hmc.edu, which is a one-stop shop for students who want to get research experience, want to see what's offered in all of the various departments. And it's all right there. And so we're making it known, and we've synced up our deadlines. And so the departments are coordinating so that way we're trying to make it easier for students to get into the labs to do research, which is something that we really value and think that the students benefit tremendously from. For our seniors who are finishing up their time at Mudd, we're very excited that they'll be heading out into the wider world. We will, of course, miss them, but wish them well. They will be going a variety of places. Traditionally, we spend a fairly large fraction of our students in chemistry to advanced study into graduate school to earn a doctorate in chemistry. It's a very common thing for our students to do. Other students will go into industry, working in the chemistry industry, manufacturing, material science, pharmaceuticals, biotech, technology. And some students will elect one of the other professional schools, medical school, law school, business school. And so we really view the chemistry degree as a solid foundation and a springboard for a lot of possible careers. One of the joys of teaching at Harvey Med too is that our students never go far. Like when they're alumni, they tend to be very connected with each other and with us. And it's always a joy to pick up the phone or answer an email, from an alum who's touching base. And so even though it feels like it's a 4-year commitment, it really is a lifelong relationship that we've started with your students, looking forward to continuing going forward. Once again, I really want to thank you again for sending your students to us, to supporting them on their journey. They would not be here if not for the love and support that you've shown them over the years. And I really hope to have the chance to get to meet you on campus, either during family weekend or at any other time. Thank you again.